Okay, got my MS660 here. I picked this up off Marketplace for next to nothing. So we got a bad crankshaft bearing, so I need to get the crankshaft out. Everything I read on the internet, videos I watch, say that you really need a splitter to split this case. I don't have one, so I wanted to see if I could gently tap it apart without the splitter. If I damage the saw, it's not that big a deal. Like I said, it was almost free off Marketplace. So I'm gonna give it a shot. So my plan is, I've got this bottom piece in a vise. I'm gonna hold it there. I'm gonna tap on the shaft and see if the shaft can split the pieces apart. Doesn't hurt if I damage the shaft because I'm replacing it anyway. And this is not the the correct way to do it. The puller would be the correct, or the splitter would be the correct way. I'm just going to see if it will. So it's an experiment. And it's already done it. It's starting to separate already. And I'm not hitting this very hard. It's not wanting to pull all these here though. There it goes. I hope I got all the screws out, because that's really not starting to come loose. I'll try another, hit the camera, try another tap. Okay. I'm really tempted to pry in there, but I want to fight the urge to pry that. I wonder if I can just tap it a little. No. Let's see. Let's make sure I didn't miss a screw. Actually, what is down there? Something smaller. I think one of these holes is for the dogs in the front, and I don't know what that is. I'm gonna blow that out with the air hose. Actually, okay, that looks like an alignment pin. There's an alignment pin going through there, so it's just stuck on that pin. So I'm going to tap it just a little more. And again, I'm not using this, I'm not wanting to use this crankshaft again, so now the bearing's starting to pull out. I can see that. So that might give me another problem when I have to get the bearing off. I'm going to put it back here for a second. Oh, I just noticed a puddle of oil on the floor. I thought I got all that drained out, but apparently I missed a little. Actually, I might could just wiggle that. No. There we go. So, my opinion is, as long as you don't need that shaft, that crankshaft, you can get it without a puller. Hope I got a new gasket because I just tore that one. And it's, all right, it's doable. Maybe not recommended, but doable.